Well, hello people of YouTube. Wayne Hackman here, aka Whackstar. For the purpose of this video, 5 Zulu 4 Whiskey Hotel. This is my Kenwood TS-50 and I've installed it into the Nissan Patrol. And that's a beacon just to test out what it sounds like. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so this is my Kenwood TS-50. This was my first high power radio. Lovely little radio, which I used in some of my early live streams, Sunday afternoon live streams. I've had it sitting around for a little bit and not sure what to do with it. I was going to sell it and then suddenly realised with the new car upgrade, well, let's put a HF rig into the car. So this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. And so far it's receiving fine. I haven't had any contacts on it. But what have I done here? Well, I've put the TS-50 there. You can see that there's an LDG 100 or a Z100 auto tuner. I've got a speaker and a microphone, and this is built out of a bit of plywood. The previous owner of the car had some kind of bracket under here, which I've mounted one side to, and if you have a look under there, I screwed another pretty heavy duty bracket into there. Now, the wiring is a little interesting. You can see here that the HF wire is going up to there to an antenna on the front bumper, and I'll show that to you in a minute. Purchased specifically for this install is this Stereo mag mount, as well as this 20-meter whip by Diamond. Now, the great thing about this mag mount is if I remove the Diamond whip, I can put a bit of coax and string an antenna up into the trees, and that's where the auto tuner comes in. I can tune pretty much for every band. However, if I'm just driving, 20 meters is what is open to me. All the wiring, where possible, has been chased into the trim and then electrically wired into an inverter system, which I have in the back of the vehicle. I've tried hard to keep the radio separate from the car system so that when I'm using it, I don't run the car battery down. Now, I'm going to modify this because I have discovered that trying to get to some of the upper buttons on this is a bit complicated, but as I am only using this in a stationary capacity, sitting in a deck chair by the side of the passenger seat, I'm going to live with that for now. So all in all, I'm quite pleased this radio is installed. So there you have it. It's a pretty simple install, really. Just been playing with it for a while. Now, if I can work out a way of just reducing the height of the shelf, I'm struggling to get to some of the top buttons of changing the band. But the Diamond antenna that I've got is only just fixed for the 20-meter band. I've also got the tuner installed there as well, which is not strictly needed if I tune the Diamond pole correctly. But I'm quite pleased with this, so that if I'm out and about and I've got a spare 5 minutes, I can just have a little listen to see what's about. And it's quite interesting. The beacon that I've set up at home on my IC 7300, I've just left running. It's just literally about 1.5 kilometers away from where I've just parked up, just to see if I can hear any stuff on this particular radio. People are actually responding to the beacon, and I can hear that as well. Unfortunately, I don't have a Kia, so I can't respond from this platform. But I'm going to go back now, and get people are responding to my beacon. Not sure why, but I'm going to go and just spend a moment now and pop home and see if I can get some CW contacts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just a very simple radio of how I've installed my TS-50 into my Nissan Patrol. This is the last of the Patrol series for a while. Need to save up some cash now. I've got some planned upgrades in the next year, but obviously need to save up some cash. So that's the end of this season of the Nissan Patrol upgrades. Season 2 coming hopefully next year sometime. And as always, please rate and subscribe to all the things that YouTubers do, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.